The terrifying Ford Super Duty death wobble is almost always caused by a failing track bar ball joint or worn track bar bushings. Replacing the track bar and its hardware is the definitive fix to stabilize your solid front axle and eliminate that violent shaking. A loose track bar allows the entire front axle to shift side to side independently of the frame. This creates a severe oscillation after hitting a bump at highway speeds. To check for this, park on a flat surface and leave the engine running. Have a helper turn the steering wheel rapidly from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Climb under the front of the truck and look at the track bar mount on the driver's side frame rail. Watch the ball joint connection on the passenger side axle. Any clunking or visible side-to-side play means the components are shot. Start the replacement by unbolting the track bar at the axle and the frame bracket. Sometimes the entire frame bracket needs to be replaced if the mounting hole is ovaled out from years of abuse. Pressing the lower ball joint out of the axle requires a specialized heavy-duty ball joint press. Install the new heavy-duty track bar ball joint into the axle housing. Bolt the new track bar into the frame bracket first, leaving the bolt slightly loose. Lower the truck so its full weight is on the suspension. Have your helper slightly turn the steering wheel to align the track bar with the new axle ball joint. Insert the final bolt and torque everything to factory specifications while the suspension is loaded. Upgrading to a heavy-duty, adjustable track bar can provide even better stability for lifted trucks. A proper alignment is required after this repair to ensure the steering wheel is perfectly straight.